This is my great pleasure to welcome you to another step-by-step tutorial on how to simply copy product link from 1688 and Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to simply import from China to any part of the world without any stress. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to copy product link from 1688 and Pinduoduo right here. So let's see. The very first app I'm going to use here is Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. Then allow it to load up. So after a successful load up, you can simply take a look at the product that you would like to copy the link. Let's say, for instance, I want to copy this particular toy product link. So I'm going to click on the product name right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this icon. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this icon. A link has been copied. Then I can head over to my notepad right here. Then I'll paste the link right here. Now this is Pinduoduo link. The next thing I'm going to do is to exit from notepad right here and see how we can copy product link from 1688. So for me to do that, I have to click on my 1688 shopping app right here. So allow your 1688 shopping app to load up. Successful. Then once it's loaded up to the home page like this, next thing you need to do is to scroll down and take a look at the product link that you would like to copy. So for instance, if I want to copy this product link, I'm going to simply click on the product name right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this icon. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this icon, and a link has been copied. Then I can go to my notepad right here, then paste the link right here. So just like so. What we want to do next is to make sure we highlight like this and make sure we delete all these Chinese character. Then I'm going to delete just like so. So we have Pinduoduo from the top and 1688 from the bottom. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply copy product link from Pinduoduo and 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.